Jackson County Mental Health calling it a worrying trend.
It's not that the level of mental health concerns have decreased. I think they've increased.
The department says the number of calls to its 24-hour mental health crisis line have decreased since the start of the pandemic. But Crisis Services Manager Rick Rollins says the numbers don't reflect the actual need for services.
They're not at schools, they're not at work, they're not talking to other people that may have encouraged them to call.
Rollins says there are higher levels of stress, anxiety, and need for immediate resources.
Certainly, we had the pandemic, that people's lives changed. We had the fires that impacted our community that added additional stress.
That increased anxiety and widespread demand for resources, also prompting nonprofit Lines for Life to launch new support lines.
To help people work through the totally normal stresses and anxiety and even depression that come from this kind of year we've had.
Unlike Jackson County Mental Health, CEO Dwight Holton says it's seen more people reaching out this year for connectivity. Its Senior Loneliness Line growing from hundreds to thousands of calls a month. It's also created a youth line, drug and alcohol abuse helpline, and the Safe and Strong line.
And it's serving people who have been stressed or impacted by the fires, by the wildfires, people who are worried about COVID or about joblessness.
Sometimes both say all it takes is a simple phone call to change someone's life.
They don't have to, suffer in silence and in isolation.
You can build hope in someone's life. It's not that hard, and it's something we can all take part in.
If you or a loved one is in crisis, there are resources available. Head to our website at KOBI5.com for more information.